Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Spotify on your Garmin Vivoactive 5. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to get your favorite tunes playing directly from your wrist. You'll learn how to set up the app, connect your account, and download music for offline listening. This means you can leave your phone behind during workouts and still enjoy your music. Remember, a Spotify Premium account is required for offline playback. First, let's get your watch ready. Make sure your Garmin Vivoactive 5 is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for downloading music. Next, grab your smartphone and open the Garmin Connect IQ store. Search for and install the Spotify application onto your watch. Once installed, open the Spotify app directly on your Vivoactive 5 to initiate the account linking process. After opening the Spotify app on your watch, you'll be prompted to complete the login on your smartphone. Open the Garmin Connect app, where you'll find a prompt to sign into your Spotify Premium account. Carefully enter your username and password. Once logged in, review and agree to the necessary terms and conditions to successfully link your Spotify account with your Garmin Vivoactive 5. This step securely connects your music library. With your account linked, it's time to get your music onto the watch. On your Vivoactive 5, navigate to the Spotify app and select Add Music and Podcasts. You can then browse and choose your favorite playlists or podcasts to download. Ensure your watch is near your Wi-Fi router for the fastest download speeds. Once downloaded, simply pair your Bluetooth headphones to your watch, and you're all set to enjoy your music offline, completely phone-free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.